Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 30 octobre and today what we did was our warm-up was everyone at the entrance to the class received this handout right here, gallery walk, all right, and I have pictures of the clocks all around the room, 17 pictures. And so they took 10 minutes and they walked around and found the matching clock face that went with the time. There were two sentences that did not have a picture, so those two were left blank. So if you were absent today, you need to make sure and check the absent folder and grab this handout from there so you can walk around the room and do your gallery walk, because I did grade this. So we did this. And then once we were done with that, we took out our dry erase boards and I asked everyone to write down their favorite TV show on their dry erase board. And I asked everybody at what time they watched their TV show. So my question was, à quelle heure est-ce que tu regardes NCIS, for example, NCIS, because that's the one that I watch. And so the person would answer, je regarde, and the name of their TV show, so NCIS, à, and then the time, à 8 heures. So we did that. Everyone got a chance to go. Once we were done with that, for 6th and 7th period, we had time to play a game called Gimkit. That was basically using the Quizlet flashcards, but it's a really cool game. 4th period, we didn't have time. I also went over the workbook pages that I had graded from Friday. If anyone had any questions, they were able to ask me. So if you were absent Friday, the same day that I was gone, you need to make sure and check and find out what the workbook pages were. You can come ask me, and we need to get them done because I did grade them. And that is all that we did today. Au revoir et bon après-midi.